Let's explore regular expressions, or regex, for programming languages. We will learn how to use pattern matching for syntax elements. The goal is to master regular expressions to identify and parse different programming language constructs. Let's examine the regular expression pattern for matching valid variable names or identifiers. The regex pattern is $A to Z underscore square bracket closed, A to Z 0 to 9 underscore star symbol dollar symbol. This pattern ensures that the variable name starts with a letter or an underscore, and it can be followed by letters, numbers, or underscores. Here are a few examples. My variable underscore private, count2, and username are valid. toCount and my -var are invalid. Let's explore how to match quoted strings using regular expressions. The regex pattern for string literals is quote bracket open not quote backslash or backslash dot bracket closed star quote or single quote bracket open not single quote backslash or backslash dot bracket closed star single quote. This pattern handles both single and double quoted strings, including escape sequences. Here are a few examples. Hello world in quotes, and single quotes, escape quote in quotes, and line new line break in single quotes are valid. Unclosed string in quotes and mixed quote single quote are invalid. Let's see how to identify integers and decimal numbers with regular expressions. The regex pattern is bracket open plus bracket closed bracket open /d plus backslash dot backslash d star or backslash dot backslash d plus bracket closed bracket open bracket closed bracket open plus bracket closed backslash d plus bracket closed dollar symbol. This pattern matches integers, decimal numbers, and numbers in scientific notation. 42-123, 3.14159, 1.5e10, plus 0.5 are valid. But 12.34.56 is invalid. Now let's look at the regular expression pattern for single-line and multi-line comments. The regex pattern is /star dollar symbol or /star bracket open /s bracket closed star /star. This pattern is designed to match both single-line and multi-line comments. For single-line examples, this is a comment and to do fix bug are valid. For multi-line comments, /star block comment // and /star multi new line comment // are valid. Let's learn how to recognize Python function definitions using regular expressions. The regex pattern is def \s plus a to z underscore a to z 0 to 9 underscore star \s star bracket open circumflex close bracket closed \s star colon. This pattern specifically targets Python function definitions. Def hello bracket open bracket close colon, def add a comma b colon, def process underscore data bracket open items bracket close colon, and def underscore private underscore func bracket open bracket close colon are valid examples. Let's explore how to match module import statements using regular expressions. The regex pattern is bracket open import or from bracket closed \s plus a to z underscore a to z 0 to 9 underscore dot star bracket open \s plus import \s plus a to z underscore a to z 0 to 9 underscore comma \s bracket close star question mark. This regex pattern is tailored for identifying import statements. Import math from OS import path, import numpy as np, from utils import helper are valid examples. Let's recap the essential regular expression patterns for programming. Always use anchors for precise matching. Test patterns with edge cases to ensure accuracy. Consider escape sequences in strings to handle special characters. Optimize for performance to ensure efficient processing. The pattern categories include identifiers for variables and functions, literals for strings and numbers, comments for single and multi-line comments, and statements for imports and definitions. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.